Hi everyone, Andy here, and today we're going to do a quick overview of Zoho Notebook. With this app, you're going to be able to create notes, take pictures, create task lists, and a lot more, so you can keep all your notes in one place. Alright, let's get started. When you open Zoho Notebook, you start on your notebooks. I have 2 notebooks so far, YouTube videos and work, but you can create as many notebooks as you want using this button right here. On the top right corner, you can find a quick menu that you're going to use to create your notes. We have different options here, like write a note, capture a note, or upload a picture, or even take a picture if you're using this app on your phone. We can create a to-do list. We also have some more options here, like attach a file or draw a note. To create a note, just click on any of the options and you will start a note. I'm going to use this one to write a note. Then you can just start writing and even add a title here. And then you have a lot of formatting options, but we're going to go over that in a second. To save a note, just click here and the note's going to be saved. To find other notes, you can either use the navigation menu. For example, we can click on all notes to see all the notes we have, as well as favorites, and then shared, but I don't have any notes that are shared. And here on the left, we have the magnifier to search. So if we click on this icon, we can start searching. And it's going to find all the notes with that keyword. Or we have the tag selection, and the same, we have all our tags here, and if we click on a tag, it's going to find the notes that have that tag. Let's go back to our notebooks, and then I'm going to open a notebook, just click on it. And here I have all my notebooks related to YouTube. So now we're going to create a new note again, so just click here, and then we're going to add a title. And I'm just going to paste some text here. And then we can format the text however we want. So for example, I'm going to select this and we can do bold or italic if you want, or even highlight it. And then we can add the paragraph wherever we want. And then we have some indentation options as well as lists. And then, for example, if you want, we can create a task list here. And we can just check that off once we finish. We can also insert hyperlinks or links to the note and any pictures or images that we want. Also, we can add a horizontal line if you want to separate different sections in the note. And then also we can add tables here. Or we can add quotations as well and add more text there. You can even insert code. Now here in the bottom, we can change the color of the note if you want. So we can do it like that, or maybe like this. And then just click on save. And the note has been saved here. Now if we want to edit the note, we can just open it by clicking on it and make any changes that we need to. And now that the note has been saved, you can see on the bottom that we have a few more options here. So we can set a reminder with this button, or we can change the color as we said before. And we can share the note privately, meaning that we can share it with another Zoho Notebook user, or we can share it publicly as a link so anyone can see the note. And then here we have more options. We can either delete the note, clear the formatting. You can see all the links that are associated with this note. So if you have a lot of links in this note, you can use this option to see all the links together. You can print it. You can move it to another notebook, copy to another notebook, lock the note, and I'm going to show you that in a second. Merge this note with another note, add it to favorite. And then for example, resource activity, we can see all the different activities related to this note. Go back to the menu here. And then we also have versions. So every time you edit a note, a new version is created and you can go back in time. In this case, I only have one version, but if you edit a note, the new versions are going to be added to this list on the right. And finally, we have the info page where we can see more information about the note, like the notebook, when it was created, when it was edited, and we can add tags here as well. So you can click there and then select the tag YouTube, and that's how you add tags. If you would like to delete the note, just hover over the note and then you have some options there, and we can just click on trash and then delete, and that's going to send the notebook to the trash can. Now I'm going to go to all notes, and as you can see here, I have some notes that are locked. This means that I locked them from the menu and I added a password to them. So if you don't want anyone to see those notes, you can lock them, and then all the information in the note is going to be blurred. And to unlock the note, you just have to click on it, and then you can enter the password. All right, so on the top right corner, you have your profile picture, and then you can click on settings. And here you're going to find a lot of settings that you can change to make sure that Zoho Notebook works well for you. Here we have the default notebook, permissions, night mode, default color, font, and a lot of other options. And if you want to migrate from another app, you can do it from here, either from Evernote, Google Keep, or Zoho Mail if you already use Zoho Mail. And for those that like automations, there's a Zapier integration available. Regarding other integrations, Zoho Notebook works really well with other Zoho apps. So for example, if you use Zoho Meetings, you will be able to take notes during the meeting, and then the notes are going to show up here on Zoho Notebook. All right, let's go back here. And the last thing I wanted to show you is that you can download this app on your phone or tablet, and there's a Chrome extension as well that you can use to add notes directly from the browser. So let me show you the Chrome extension right now. I have it open right here, and it is called Notebook Web Clipper. So you can just add it to Chrome with this button, and then you will be able to add websites, text in the websites, and a lot more directly from the browser. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up. I have a question for you. Are you currently using a note-taking app? And if you do, which one are you using? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.